Ever wondered what to do inside Turkey? Side, a gem tucked on the southern coast of Turkey, is a place where the rhythm of ancient history harmoniously blends with the vibrant thrum of modern life. As a top-rated tourist destination, Side offers a unique mix of adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Imagine walking on the same ground as the ancient Romans once did, with remnants of their civilization still standing tall and proud. Or perhaps you're lured by the siren call of pristine beaches, where the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean gently lap against the golden sands. And as the sun sets, Side transforms into a hub of excitement, its nightlife pulsating with energy and music. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a sun seeker, or a night owl, Side has something for everyone. It's a place where you can create memories that will last a lifetime. So, join us today as we explore the top 10 things to do inside Turkey. First off on our list is the ancient city of Side. Nestled on Turkey's southern coast, Side is a treasure trove of history and culture. Founded by the Greeks in the 7th century BC, this city has seen empires rise and fall, each leaving its unique mark. The city's historical significance is undeniable. It was once a major trading center, bustling with merchants from across the ancient world. The Greek influence is still palpable in the city's architecture, with grand temples and amphitheaters that speak of a time when Side was a beacon of Hellenistic culture. But Side's story doesn't end with the Greeks. As you wander through its winding streets, you'll come across Roman ruins that tell tales of a later era. The grandeur of the Roman theatre, the largest in the region, is a testament to the city's importance during the Roman period. A walk through the ancient city of Side is like a walk back in time. Next on our list is the pristine beaches of Side. These stretches of golden sands, lapped by the warm waters of the Mediterranean, are a haven for those seeking relaxation and adventure in equal measure. Imagine yourself basking under the radiant Turkish sun, the gentle sea breeze carrying the scent of the ocean, and the distant rhythm of waves creating a soothing soundtrack to your day. From the east beach's calm waters, perfect for families with little ones, to the west beach's vibrant water sports scene, Side's coastline caters to all. For adrenaline junkies, there's a plethora of water sports to choose from. Jet skiing, parasailing, and banana boating are just a few of the thrilling activities available. The beaches also offer an abundance of beachside cafes and bars where you can sip on a cool drink and enjoy the stunning sea views. For sun seekers and water sports enthusiasts, Side's beaches are a must-visit. Number 3 on our list is the Side Museum. This place is a treasure trove for history buffs. The museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts excavated from the ancient city of Side. As you wander through the exhibits, you'll come across beautifully preserved statues, intricate mosaics, and remnants of the city's grand past. Another highlight of the museum is the Roman bathhouse. This well-preserved structure offers a captivating look into the daily lives of the Roman-era residents. It's like stepping back in time. The Side Museum isn't just a collection of artifacts and old buildings, it's a testament to the importance of preserving history. Every piece on display tells a story, contributing to the rich tapestry of Side's past. This place gives you a chance to appreciate the city's history beyond the hustle and bustle of the beaches and markets. The Side Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Halfway through our list, we have Side's bustling markets. These vibrant gathering spots truly encapsulate the spirit of Side, offering a unique shopping experience that's hard to replicate. As you navigate through the maze of stalls, you'll come across an eclectic mix of goods that cater to all tastes and preferences. From local crafts that showcase the artistic talents of the residents, to fresh produce that's as colorful as the market itself, there's something for everyone here. The sweet scent of spices fills the air, leading you to a variety of locally grown herbs and seasonings. And let's not forget the textiles, with stalls draped in a rainbow of fabrics, from traditional Turkish patterns to modern prints. While shopping, you'll find yourself immersed in a lively atmosphere, filled with the chatter of locals bargaining and the clatter of artisans at work. It's more than just a shopping trip, it's a cultural immersion. For a taste of local life, make sure to visit Side's markets. Next, we recommend dining in Side's restaurants. The local cuisine is a delightful melange of traditional Turkish dishes infused with a unique Mediterranean flair. Imagine feasting on succulent kebabs, fresh seafood, and an array of mezes, which are akin to tapas, all while enjoying the warm Turkish hospitality. The variety of dishes available is truly staggering, from the hearty menemen, a traditional Turkish breakfast dish, to the sweet baklava, a pastry made of layers of phyllo filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey. Inside, dining is not just about the food, it's an experience. Whether you're at a cozy beachside cafe, a bustling bazaar eatery, or an elegant rooftop restaurant overlooking the ancient ruins, each dining venue offers a unique ambience. So whether you're a foodie in search of culinary adventures or someone who enjoys a good meal in a beautiful setting, Sides restaurants are sure to satisfy. Experience the flavors of Turkey in Sides restaurants. Number 7 on our list is experiencing Sides' vibrant nightlife. As the sun dips below the horizon, Side transforms into a lively hub of activity. The city's bars and clubs come alive with music, laughter, and the clink of cocktail glasses. Variety is the spice of Sides' nightlife. From sleek and modern rooftop bars offering panoramic views of the city, to traditional Turkish taverns where live music sets the mood, there's a spot for everyone. Music lovers will find a scene that's hard to resist. Whether you're into jazz, rock, or the pulsing beats of EDM, Sides' music scene has it all. But Sides' nightlife isn't just about bars and clubs. Unique experiences abound. Try a moonlit walk along the beach or a late-night shopping spree in the bustling markets. Perhaps take a traditional Turkish bath under the stars. For a night to remember, explore Sides' nightlife. Next up, we suggest taking a boat tour. There are a plethora of options available for you to choose from, each offering its own unique experience. Some tours focus on exploring the stunning coastline of Side, giving you the opportunity to marvel at the beauty of the azure Mediterranean Sea against the backdrop of the picturesque Turkish landscape. If you're a fan of water sports, some boat tours offer swimming and snorkeling stops. Imagine diving into the crystal-clear waters, exploring the vibrant underwater life, or just floating on the surface, soaking up the sun. It's an experience that simply can't be missed. For those of you who prefer a more relaxed approach, there are tours that allow you to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenic views. You can watch the sun set over the sea, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, while you sip on a refreshing beverage. A boat tour is a great way to see Side from a different perspective. And number 9 on our list is the Manavgat Waterfalls. This is a place where nature unveils its true splendor. Cascading water paints a spectacular scene as it dances down from the heights, creating a rhythmic symphony that resonates through the valley. The falls are nestled amidst lush greenery, a paradise for those who find peace in the heart of nature. The surrounding area is perfect for a laid-back picnic with the melodious sound of the waterfall as your background music. And if you're a water baby, you're in for a treat. The cool, clear water invites you to take a refreshing dip, a perfect respite from the hot Turkish sun. The beauty of the Manavgat Waterfalls extends beyond just the eye-catching spectacle. It's about the serene ambience, the cool mist in the air, and the feeling of being at one with nature. So whether you're a nature lover or a thrill seeker, this place has something for you. The Manavgat Waterfalls are a natural wonder not to be missed. Finally, we recommend simply taking the time to soak in the beauty and culture of Side. From the lingering echoes of history in the ancient city to the rhythmic lapping of waves on the pristine beaches, Side is a spectacle to behold. The Side Museum, a treasure trove of antiquities, offers a glimpse into a bygone era, while the bustling markets brim with an array of local crafts and delicacies. Food lovers will delight in the city's restaurants where the true taste of Turkey comes alive. As the sun dips, Side's nightlife sparks to life, offering an exciting mix of entertainment. The boat tours and the majestic Manavgat Waterfalls further enhance the city's allure, offering experiences that are as diverse as they are unforgettable. Side is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of Turkey's rich culture and history. Whatever your interest, Side, Turkey has something to offer everyone, so why not start planning your trip today?